Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps of how to post on LinkedIn and tag someone with the most up-to-date method. Tagging someone on LinkedIn is a great way to give credit, highlight a colleague, or make sure your post reaches the right audience. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look for the plus post button. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen or at the top of your feed, depending on your app layout. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a blank post window where you can share your update, thought, or story. Now, type your message exactly the way you want it to appear. It could be a quick update, a personal achievement, or even a shout-out to someone you work with. To tag a person, simply type the @ symbol and then start entering their name. LinkedIn will automatically pull up a drop-down list of possible matches based on the letters you type. Here's the important step. Look carefully at that list to make sure you choose the right person. LinkedIn may show multiple names that are similar, so double-check before tapping. Once you select the correct person, their name will appear highlighted in your post. This means they're officially tagged and will be notified once the post goes live. When you're happy with your message and your tags, all that's left to do is finish any final edits. You can add hashtags, links, or even an image if you want to give your post more visibility. Once it looks good, tap on the Post button. Just like that, your update will go out, and the person you tagged will be visible to your whole network. Tagging people is one of the easiest and most effective ways to engage on LinkedIn. It helps your content stand out, strengthens connections, and ensures the right people see your posts. So go ahead, try it out today, and start building even stronger conversations on LinkedIn.